Hi everyone, it's Nails by Iris here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a marble fade nail effect using gel polish. I already buffed the natural nail and now I'm going in with my first coat of tan gel polish. Once I have a nice even coat applied, I will cure it in my LED lamp. After that has been cured, I'm going in with my second coat of nude gel polish, and this time we are not going to cure it just yet. Now I'm going in with the black gel polish and just placing random dots throughout the nail. Remember, the key to getting this effect is that you did not cure the second base color. This part is the most fun and it makes the design look super cool. Basically, you just take a very thin nail or art brush and start to swirl and spread out the color of dots that you just made. You can do whatever type of pattern that you like, but it gives this nice marbling effect. Once I was happy with how the marbling effect looked, then I cured the nail in my LED lamp. Finally, I'm going in with my no wipe top coat and curing that in the lamp as well. Here's how the final look turned out for my marble fade nail. Thank you for watching. Please give me a like and subscribe to my channel.